Greetings, my name is Thabiso Mpele. The title for my video presentation is What are the teacher's attitude towards women in educational leadership? Moving on to the abstract. This research seeks to respond to the question of what are the teacher's attitude towards women in educational leadership. A sample of 500 people was selected from different public schools. Amongst those 500 people, 250 were male, 250 were females. Questionnaires were also used to respond to these questions. To guide this question. The questionnaire has two sections. Section A, which contains the biographical data. Section B, which contains preference and attitude towards women in educational leadership. There is a negative and a positive attitude that was explained towards women as leaders. Moving on to the introduction. Every organization needs a leader. Any organization that does not have a leader is like an organization, is like a person without the brain. Now, this research seeks to explain on what are the teacher's attitude or towards women in educational leadership. Moving on to the literature review. The literature review, according to Iagoro 2021, Osbilen 2017, Yildirim 2021, they explained that some of the attitude that were mentioned is that those who displays positive attitude is because they think women are capable of managing school funds for the betterment of the school. They are able to manage the school physically. They do not use the school funds for personal enrichment. They only use the school funds for school. They are also good in implementing school policy. Those who are talking about on the negative part, it has been explained that women in leadership is characterized by school indiscipline. It is also influenced by social cultural activities, which determines on what is expected from women. Moving on to the discussion, to the result. Out of the 250 male that were selected, 39% of those male are displaying positive attitude towards women in educational leadership. 31% of the women that were sampled out of 250 displays positive attitude, which is 31%. Moving on to the discussion and conclusion, it can be stated that there are positive and negative attitude towards women in educational leadership that has been explained. So on the negative attitude part, a school that is led by a human is characterized by school indiscipline, which means that when a woman is a leader, the school is characterized by a school indiscipline. There is no order because they believe that a woman is also soft. Within those social cultural practices, they are believed that women are inferior. They cannot handle leadership positions. Therefore, they are not fit to become leaders. Moving on to the references. The articles that were used here are the one that were written by Yildirim et al. 2021, Osbilen 2017, Iekolo et al. 2022.